Hi dears, welcome back. This is your EVS class. But today we didn't see any lessons. Any lessons means any chapters. Okay, because coming Wednesday we are going to conduct FA3 examinations. That's why it's your recall session. Okay, last three chapters only included in our FA3 examinations. Okay, chapter 9 and chapter 10 and chapter 11 is our FA3 portions. Okay, what is our chapter 9? Ninth chapter. Yes, changing families. In this lesson, what we learned. Yes, in this lesson, what is mean by family? Why we need family? What is the importance of family? Okay, what is the importance of family? Then why our families was changing? Okay, these kind of things we already learned in this lesson. Okay, what is mean by family? Yes, a group of peoples living together with love and care. Then they are living with blood related relationship means that is called family. Okay, yes, we know very well about the families. Yes, joint family and nuclear family. Nuclear family means it must contain four members only. But joint family means we can see more than five to six members. Okay, that is called joint family. We know very well about that. But why we want to change our families? Which are the times our family was changing? Can you guess? Yes, in our lesson also, what are the reason for changing families to Nimmi family, Nimmi house? Why the Nimmi's family was changing? Yes, because in Nimmi's family, one baby, new sister, arrival of new sister, that's why the Nimmi's family was changing. Yes, if our home also, you also have, some of you have one brother or sister. Okay, younger brother. That time you also feel very happy. Your parents also feel very happy because one new person come to join in our family. Okay, that time we enjoy more and we have to spread our love and we have to spreads the sweets to our neighbors person. Yes, that time our family was changing, our mother was also changing. Hitherto your mommy carrying you only before your brothers or sisters arrival. uh, when your brother and sister arrival, that time your mommy want to take care of the two childrens. Okay, that time also your family get some changes. Yes, I'm correct or not? Okay, this one kind of the reason for changing families. Okay, we know very well about that. Then what is the another reasons? Yeah, see, it is the joint family. The joint family must contain more than five members and childrens also. Okay, okay, dears. Then in another reason our lesson, the sharing father also received one letter from his office. What is the letter? What is present inside of the letter means uh, he was being promoted. Okay, he was being promoted, that's why he want to move to another city. Okay, he want to move to another city. That time sometimes our fathers only moving to next places. For example, if our fathers get a job from abroad means our father only go to the abroad. Yes, some of the time if our father went some places means our home must have some changes, like a sad feeling. Yes, if our mother or father went to some places for work means that time we feel unhappy because something is left from ourselves. Okay, so we feel very bad. Okay, Nimmis family, why Nimmis family got changing means because of the new baby arrival. Why Sharing's family changing the families mean because of the promotion. Okay, okay dears. The next one, um Nasli family. Okay, Nasli family. What is the Nasli family happen? What means her elder cousin brother is getting married. Getting married that time. That time our home look like a temple. Yeah, there is lots of funds and lots of happiness also there. So it is the very great function. Then wedding time, the all bride also go to the groom house. Yes, the bride also go to the groom house. That time the family also get some changes because of new bride. That's why the bride also feels something. Yeah, it's new home. Our parents, our sisters also being one place. We are come to the next home like that. That groom also thinking. Yes, the bride also thinking, the groom also got some, they want to share something, they want to share the food, share, they want to share the room like that, they want to everything they want to share. That time it is the one kind of changing families. Yes, okay dears. In marriage time we can make, we can prepare some delicious food also. For if we hear the function means we must we definitely remember the food items. Okay, the all festivals also must contain the food. Okay, okay dears. Okay, nowadays the family are too small comparing with the those days. Yes, I'm correct or not? Yes, those days peoples they are definitely living together, but nowadays the each and every families want to split their family. They don't care. They after married they don't obey their parents voice. Okay, nowadays that's why nowadays the most of the parents are lonely being. Okay, being lonely. Okay, okay dears. In this lesson we have to learn about one law, child marriage law. What is mean by child marriage law? Yes, marriage law means it denotes the, is a, this act denote the marriage age. Okay, for example, women's means, girls means they must reach the 21 years. If they reach 21 years old means then only they get married. Okay, this kind of, but nowadays only we are ready to study, we are ready to go anywhere. But those days peoples they face more and more struggle to study because when they are child, when they are reached 7 or 8 years old, that time the parents forced to the parents torture the students to getting married. Okay, so then only the childhood marriage law was introduced. In this law, the in this act strictly told about the marriage age. Okay, okay dears, this chapter is over. Next our 10th chapter. Okay, what is our 10th chapter? Yes, hututu. Hututu, what is mean by hututu? Yeah, Hututu means it's one game. In our side, we have to say this game name is Kabaddi. But do you know what is the another name of Kabaddi name? I already told that. What is the another name of Kabaddi? Yes, Chedugudu, Hututu, Cho Kit Kit, Hadudu or Kabaddi. Okay, Hadudu or Kabaddi. Kabaddi has this kind of name. In our lesson, Shyamla Shamla and another opponent team was playing the kabaddi game. That time the Shamla was, the opponent teams are shouting Shamla was out like that, but Shamla don't accept that. Yes. Okay. Then how many players are play the kabaddi game? If we want to play the kabaddi game means how many players we want? Yes, 7 players. 7 players we need to play kabaddi game. Okay, in this kabaddi game, the pushing and pulling is the most important one. Pushing, pulling, screaming and shouting, dragging, falling on the ground. This it is the rough game also. These kind of activities moving while we are playing the kabaddi game. Then it is the concentrate game also. In one game we have to concentrate our mind, then we have to control our body, then we have to say kabaddi 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 like that. Okay, so in this game we have to control three times. If we forget to say kabaddi means we also out. If somebody touch our pots means that time also we are out. So we want to concentrate two things. The one is we want to concentrate what we are speaking, what we are doing. Then we want to we want to control our body also. So it is the rough and tough game. Okay, then in this game we have to hold our breath. It also one good exercise. Okay, then if we want to play this game means we touch the leg and hand and waist only. If we don't touch, if we touch the other parts means we are out. Okay, it is the rules of the game. Okay, yes, if somebody teach the lesson to us means we have to say that person is teacher. Okay, if somebody maintains the law and order, if somebody catch the thief means we have to say policeman. The same way, who are all teach the rules of the game. Okay, who are all teach the rules of the game, that person is called coach. Okay, okay, dears. See this one. Yeah. Uh, just now I told that what are the rules and regulations of kabaddi. Okay, okay, dear. Kabaddi is our state game, then a national game of Bangladesh. Okay, you have to remember. Then in this in our lesson we read about three sisters. Yes, nowadays only I already told that the all students, the all girl child also go to study, go to anywhere. Nowadays we have this freedom, but those days people they don't go to study, they don't want to go to play like that. They follow the strict rules. Okay, but the picture is of the three sister. The names are Jwala, Leela and Hira. What? Jwala, Leela and Hira. They are live in the Mumbai, and the all three of them also played the kabaddi game. Then they also teach the game to others. We take the interview in our lesson. Somebody take the interviews to the three sister. That time they are said, in when we are young, that time the girls do not allow to play this game. People thought if girls play such rough games means nobody would marry them. That's why the all peoples are strictly said the girls do not play game. Then they also said that the girls do not wear the boys dress. Okay, that's why those days person they don't allow to play the game. But my mother and my uncle only encourage us. That's why only we are reaching now like that. The three women are said. Then nowadays also they form a one kabaddi club. Then they nowadays also they taught kabaddi, how to play a kabaddi game to all persons. Okay, all persons. Okay, dears. Okay, see this picture. Do you know who's she? Yes, her name is Karnam Malleshwari. Okay, she lives in Andhra Pradesh. Karnam Malleshwari is a weightlifter. Okay, now when she was 12 years old, she started to lifting weights. But now she can lift a weight 130 kilograms. Yes, I already told that 130 kilograms nowadays she can lift a weight. Okay, the Karnam Malleshwari won 29 medals in international events. Okay. Then he also have four sisters. The four sisters also practice to weightlifting. Okay. Okay, yes. This girl and this woman name was Karnam Malleshwari. She is a weightlifter. She can lift 130 kilograms. Okay, 130 kilograms. You have to keep it in your mind. Okay. Okay, dears. Let us come to our next chapter, last chapter. Last chapter means chapter 11, the Valley of Flowers. Okay, what do you understand in this chapter? Yes, in this chapter, we could learn what is mean by Valley of Flowers, where it is located, then what is mean by Madhubani, then which place this design are famous, then which are the flowers grow on creepers, which are the flowers grow on water plants, which are the flowers bloom only at night. These kind of informations we learn from this picture in this lesson. The next one is which are the what is the uses of flowers. Yes, if we hear the function, whatever function means, we most of us we buy the flowers. Then the flowers also used to eat, then the flowers also used to medicine, then the flowers also used to making colors. Okay, then we learn about the itter, the scent, small flower scent. We have to learn these kind of things. Then what are the uses of flowers? For example, which occasions, which festival, which flowers we want to use. Okay, the corresponding occasions and name of the flowers we can learn from this lesson. Then what are the, how many types we can use the flowers? For example, flowers, garland, bouquet, like that things we learn in this chapter. Yes, do you remember it? Okay, dears. Now the Valley of Flowers. Valley of Flowers. Where the Valley of Flowers located? Yes, it is located in Uttaranchal. Yes, I am correct or not? Yes. In if we see this place, well, if they see Valley of Flowers means we can see the lots of colors of flowers also. Yellow color flowers, then pink color flowers, then one side blue color stars, blue colors stars, red color flowers, like that flowers we could see in the Valley of Flowers. But the Valley of Flowers bloom only for a few weeks in the year only. How many years? Few weeks in the year only we can see the Valley of Flowers in Uttaranchal. Okay. The next one is Madhubani designs. What is mean by Madhubani design? It's one folk art. In Madhubani district, the Madhubani designs are famous. That's why it's got this name, Madhubani. Okay. The Madhubani district is located in which state? Yes, Bihar state. In this, when the Madhubani district has some festivals means, during the festivals time and happy occasions, that time the people paste the Madhubani design to the walls of the house. Okay, that's why it is the familiar one. In the Madhubani designs, we can see the human beings, picture animals and trees and flowers, birds, these kind of all pictures we can see in the Madhubani designs. Okay. Okay, dears. Next, which are the plants grow on creepers? For example, rose and lavender is grow on creepers. Then coral vine and jasmine and lily, lotus. These kind of plants grow in the water plants. Then moonflower only bloom at the night. Okay, you have to keep it in your mind. It is the most important. Bloom. Moonflower only blooming only at night. Okay, that's why it's the name as moonflower. Okay, you have to remember. Then bloom in the day and close at night. Sunflower, when the sun was appear in the sky daytime. That's why the flower blooming in the daytime means sunflower. The flower blooming in night time means moonflower. Moonflower only night time only moon appear in the sky. Okay, you have to easily keep it in your mind. Okay, dears. Then what are the uses of flowers? If we put the flower in our hair means we feel it's gives some beautiful fragrance. That time we feel happy. Our mind will be very free and fresh. That's why only we are wearing the flowers. Okay. Then what are the uses of flowers means some of the flowers we can eat, for example cauliflower, broccoli, then marigold also used in the food items. Okay, sunflower, this kind of flowers we can use in the food items. Okay, then what banana flower. Okay, this kind of flower is most important to the food items. The next one is flowers in medicines. Yes, some of the flowers making medicine used for making medicines. Okay, then it's making some of the flowers used for making some colors. For example, see the marigold and zinnia. We already see this marigold flower. See this picture. It is the zinnia images. Okay, the marigold and zinnia images used to making a dye colors. Okay, why means we want to dye the cloth means we can use these kind of flowers. Then what? Um, yeah, apple of death. This tree flowers also used to making some medicines. Okay, okay, dears. The next one is making of itter. If we want to make the itter means uh, we must have lots and lots of flowers, then only we make a small amount of itter. Okay, itter means fragrance, scent, flower scent. For example, lavender, jasmine perfumes also nowadays we are using that. Okay, the Kannauj district in Uttar Pradesh is famous for the itter. Okay, truckloads of flowers are brought from the neighboring areas for this itter purpose. Rose water and kevra water are prepared from the flowers. Okay, then the Kannauj district, they are most amount of the peoples engaged in this work. Okay, this is the uses of flowers. Then some of the festivals for friendship day means we can use the white color flower. Like that, marriage mean we must use the jasmine and rose garland. These kind of flowers must be contained in the some occasions. Okay, okay, dears. I think this revision session is enough. All the best. Do your exam. Be- Give your best performance in this examinations. Okay. Thank you. All the best.